Welcome to Year 6 English. This particular comprehension task is on Harriet Tubman. So let's read Harriet Tubman and see what this is about. Harriet Tubman was born around 1820 in Maryland, so in the United States. She was born into slavery as her mother was already a slave. Harriet's father was also a slave, but was freed at the age of 45 due to his owner's wishes after his death. Let's read about Harriet's early life. So Harriet's real name was Raminta Harriet Ross. She had a very hard life working as a field hand slave in the plantation fields every day in the burning sun. She was often whipped and beaten. Once a lead weight was thrown at her and it hit her head. After this, she suffered terrible headaches and developed narcolepsy, which she had for the rest of her life. Growing up, in 1844, Raminta married a free black man called John Tubman. It was around this time that Raminta changed her name to Harriet. Harriet escaped slavery with two of her brothers. She decided to leave after her owner died. She left Maryland with her brothers on 17 September 1849. Her husband would not leave her. So we've got a small summary here of Harriet. So she was born around 1820. She died in 10th of March 1913. And she was approximately 93 years old, which is an amazing age for a slave in those days. An illness where the sufferer falls asleep very suddenly at any time in the day, whatever they are doing, is called narcolepsy. However, once they had left, her brothers had second thoughts, so Harriet made sure they got safely back to the plantation, and she left again, heading for Pennsylvania, which was a free state at the time. So in the free state, Pennsylvania, which meant that any slaves that moved to Pennsylvania, they would not need to work as slaves after that. So it was a very, very hard life for slaves in those days. Harriet's example is in front of you. She was treated very harshly and very, very badly from the owners, so-called owners at the time. So a small biography, autobiography on Harriet Tubman. Good luck with the rest of the questions, and we'll review these in our next lesson. Thank you.